Subscribe.
Today I'm super excited because backed by popular demand is the magic microwave. It's gonna be cooking us up some special surprises. If you haven't seen the first magical egg video, make sure to check it out. I'll post the link above.
All right, who's ready to see some magic?
Here I have a plain old yellow egg. It doesn't seem to have anything inside.
Lame!
But with the help of our magic microwave, we'll see if we can turn this into something a little bit more fun.
Or a lot more fun. Get in there, little eggie.
Check out what it turned into!
We have a SpongeBob surprise egg.
I can't wait to open this! Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, check this out.
What's this? Oh, it's nothing. But here we have some stickers. It has SpongeBob, Mr. Krabs, Plankton, and Sandy on it.
Yum, candy. Let's try one.
Okay. As you might have guessed, it's pretty hard. And here's the surprise toy. It's an awesome yellow yo-yo. Me and SpongeBob have the same expression on right now. I'll play with this later.
It's time to do more magic.
Here's a white empty egg. And other than looking like an actual egg, there's nothing really special about this.
It's empty, it's plain, it's boring.
But never doubt the power of the magic microwave. In you go!
Woohoo! I spy Minnie Mouse!
I wasn't sure what this was going to turn into,
But I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's crack this baby open.
Here we have some super cute stickers. These would look great on your school notebook or your pencil case. Next we have our surprise toy. It's a heart-shaped mini ring.
How cute!
And lastly, we have the same type of candy as before.
I'll save these for later.
Let's move on to the red egg.
It's just an empty, boring egg. Why can't we start out with the fun egg?
'Cause what would be the fun in that?
I agree. In the magic microwave it goes.
I think this might turn into a Paw Patrol egg.
What do you guys think? Oh, nope. I was wrong, but sweet!
It turned into a Spiderman surprise egg.
Even better.
Swing over here, Spidey, so I can take a closer look. I actually hate spiders.
But hey, if the spider can give me powers, I may be interested. Have your people call my people.
Check out these cool stickers. He's swinging from building to building. Here's a surprise toy. It's a Spidey noise clapper.
This thing is pretty entertaining. Clap, 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 slap, slap, slap.
And here we have another bag of candy. Same as the other two eggs. Moving on to the pretty pink egg. It's a nice color, but again, we come up empty. Let's pop it in the microwave and see what happens.
Yes! We have a princess surprise egg!
On the outside, we have Snow White, Cinderella, Belle, and Sleeping Beauty. But let's see what we have on the inside. Oh, I think this paper actually has something this time. It shows us the options we can get. Here's a sticker of Sleeping Beauty,
AKA Princess Aurora. Oh, cool! Look at this surprise toy. It has Ariel on it.
It's a mini picture frame that can stand up on its own.
I bet Prince Eric has one in his room.
Yay! We got a different type of candy! These are little pink hearts. They actually kind of remind me of Valentine's Day hearts.
Let's see if they taste the same.
It kind of does! It has that chalky texture that dissolves in your mouth when you chew it. For my next trick, I'll be using this light green egg. This egg is pretty light, which probably means it's empty.
Just my luck. No surprises here. Help us out, Magic Microwave.
What kind of surprise egg do you think this is going to turn into? Shout out your guess.
Oh, I got a glimpse of a dinosaur. That's so cool.
We got a surprise egg from The Good Dinosaur.
This is a dino egg.
That movie was awesome and super adorable. I can't wait to see what's inside. Here's everything we could get. See anything you like? On the sticker, we have Ramsey. Ramsey is a T-Rex.
Roar!
Let's check out the surprise toy. It looks like a spinner. On the top, there's a bunch of dinosaurs on it. And this is how you use it.
Ready? Go! Don't look at it for too long. You might get dizzy.
We'll just set that aside. I wonder what's in this bag. These eggs normally come with candy, but this time it didn't.
Let's check it out. It's a cookie.
Let's give it a try. It tastes like a shortbread cookie. I like it. For my last magic trick, I'll be using this blue egg. You guys should know by now that this egg
Is empty.
I'll pop it in the magic microwave and see what it turns into. And again, if you think you know what this is going to turn into, shout it out.
Whoa! It's an Avengers surprise egg. Did any of you guys guess that correctly?
On the outside, we have Iron Man, the Hulk, and Thor. But I'm more interested in what's inside. Here's the list of options we can get.
I want them all.
Ooh, we got a Captain America sticker.
Hello there, Captain. And yes! We got different candy this time.
Let's try one. It tastes pretty much like the first candy we got.
So far, the cookie has been my favorite.
And here's the surprise toy. We got a bubble keychain that says thwack.
I think.
Thwack.
Thwack?
Thwack.
Yeah, I think it says thwack.
The keychain is plastic with air inside. This would be a sweet addition to your back-to-school backpack. Here's all of the surprise toys we got today. Let me know in the comments which egg was your favorite. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked the video and want me to do more videos like this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!